I'll be introducing you for the very first time on Flames Radio. Icecream, poster girl. Welcome to Flames. How you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
Yes. You've been actually looking like a poster girl as well.
Thanks.
Is that where the name come from?
I gotta represent.
Have to represent, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
So what kind of artist are you? Are you a singer? Are you a DJ? Are you a MC? I just heard some of your songs. I'm just checking because I'm not quite sure if you done them yourself or it's someone else's song that you do it.
No, I'm a rapper.
You're a rapper,
I'm a
yeah?
rapper. I do a little bit of singing as well, but mainly just rap.
It's mainly just rap, right? And where are you from? Are you from London? You from?
Yeah, London, Northwest London.
Northwest London?
Yeah.
Okay, and is it your first time in Flames?
Yes.
The first time is welcome to Flames.
My first interview with Flames. Hopefully not my last.
No, it's definitely last. So if you talk in the microphone a bit more so we can.
Can you let hear me?
Yes. No, we can hear you. Yeah, so what's good for you in the music? How long have you been doing this?
Quite a while actually. For those who think I'm new, I've been doing it since about 09, 010.
About 09, 010?
Yeah.
Oh, it's been a while then.
Yeah.
That's like, oh,
But I took a little break.
okay.
Yeah.
Everybody deserves a little break
Exactly.
sometime, yeah? Miss Poster Girl. I like the name though. I like how she just have a little style, say, don't leave with the poster girl. Is it very important to have the poster girl?
Yeah. Of course it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you been up to though? What you been up to for the 2017? How was it? Was it a good year for you or what?
Yeah, I was working hard. Yes, 2017, I was just putting in work. I've been in the studio hard working on my project, which is coming out real soon, called Pretty Trap Volume 1.
Pretty Trap, yeah? So it's that kind of...
It's a mixtape.
It's a mixtape, that kind of... It sounds a bit Pretty Girl, Cardi B type of rap. Is it... Are you a fan of Cardi B or
Yeah,
you not?
I do like Cardi B. Yeah, she's representing for the girls at the moment, like the female artists.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think that you have that other females don't have in the business at the moment?
Well, I'm definitely keeping it all the way real. I'm unedited. And I'm doing female empowerment, but not the fake female empowerment what you see out here right now.
So what's the fake female empowerment? I don't know.
The girls, they just pretend that they like each other, but they know they really don't.
Yeah, so it sounds like you have a lot of beef with people. Do you have a lot of beef?
I don't have any beef.
It sounds like something's cooking.
No.
We'll find out. We'll know. Who have you worked with? Have you worked with anyone before? Or are you just doing anything solo? Have you worked with anyone
Yeah,
before?
I've got a few features on the mixtape coming up, but not a lot. It's mostly like me because I just want to show all of my work. But yeah, I've got some features coming, but I just want to reveal it when the project comes out. Yeah.
What I want you to do
I've
for
been
me,
working and so yeah.
you've been doing the work. What I want you to do for me, apart from music, can you just explain Icecream cover girl on a normal day for
Poster
me?
girl.
Poster girl. Here we go.
On a normal day, I'm just putting in that work. I've been in the studio working on my songs, putting together this mixtape. I also do my lashes. I do beauty.
Okay.
For those that don't know, I do mink eyelashes.
Okay.
And I'm a mum.
You're a mom.
Mhm.
Okay. Old I should say. The kid, not the child I should say.
I've got 2 kids.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you're a busy
Very
mom.
busy. Yeah.
I can see that you love your beauty side as well, because I can see that you're making sure that every little thing is in check, and a friend is actually doing the same as well. She's making sure that everything is on point. Is on fleek. Is this just?
It's my live is broken. I was trying to see how I'm
We're just trying to see what's popping up with the live and it's working.
Yeah, she's making sure that we're getting it from all different angles, and trust me.
Big up Flames Radio.
Yeah, I'm a bit taken back, but anyway. Let's get back to what matters most, alright? Icecream, she's doing big for 2018 and she's going to be having lots of new projects coming out.
I've got loads of things coming up. I've got my mixtape coming up, Pretty Trap Volume 1. That's going to be dropping real soon. I've got a Pretty Trap tour coming up as well soon.
Yeah.
And I've got quite a few more things, but I don't want to reveal them yet. But it's a lot.
What's the reception you get from, like, as a new artist yourself, working in the industry into the UK? Do they accept you, or do you find out the producers try to use women? Because that's the complaint I get a lot from most of the females that I've interviewed.
From who are you talking about?
Like, say, does the producers put it this way? Do they try to come on to you other than music? They're not interested if you're not interested into them, basically.
Some of them can be like that, definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Not so much now because I've been in the game for a little while.
Yeah.
I definitely know how to deal with them. But before, when I first came out, I would find that they act like they're about music when they really know they're not about music.
Okay, they was, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So I've kind of got a team of people that I work with. I know them, they know me, so we can get work done. But yeah, with females, it's definitely harder than for the guys. It's definitely harder for the women than it is for the girls.
Because it's a male-dominated business.
Yeah. Because the girls normally don't only want one girl at the top.
Yeah.
So they pretend that they're about the girls, but they're really bitchy. And then the guys, well, not all of them, because not stereotyping everybody, I'm just saying some, that's what we're talking about right now.
Yeah.
But you get some of the guys that act like they're interested in pushing your music when they're not. They're just interested in looking girls.
Okay, that makes sense.
You know what I mean?
I know what you mean, and I can see sometimes, because I'm trying to bring into the nowadays society, especially what's happening into the mainstream and the politics side, where they're saying that women equal rights for this and equal rights for that. So I'm just trying to figure if you're affected psychologically, because loads of people get affected by these things, especially if you're trying to do music and you're trying to push these doors and you're knocking all these doors and no one not taking you serious.
You just have to keep pushing. You can't make nobody's your gatekeeper for your success. That's what I've learned. From back in the day up until now, I just know that you just have to keep putting on out that work, being consistent and staying professional. Like when you're focused on what it is that you want, you'll know. Do you know what I mean?
Yes. I've seen you've been doing some live performances. How's that side going?
Yeah, that's going good. I've been getting good reception from that.
Yeah, because
I like the performing side.
I can see you when you're on stage, you get a bit.
Yeah, I got a few more performances coming as well. Yeah, so yeah.
Where can we see you next?
I like it. I've got a few coming up. I've got some shows, but
you keeping everything hush hush. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Do you have anything out on like any iTunes, anything out?
So basically, I've got stuff coming on iTunes, but I want the mixtape out for all of my supporters, my fans, just to give away some songs of mine.
Okay.
And then I'm coming out with a single straight after that, so that will be on iTunes.
Are you willing to battle? Because there's a lot of females that I know that love this rap battle.
The battle rap.
Yeah. Are you not into it?
I do like it. I like watching it, but I'm not sure. I definitely can do it because you know me, I chat that smack. If a chick comes for me, I will bury her when it comes to bars. But yeah, it's not really my thing. I just want to make tunes.
I'm just telling you, they're going to be coming, you know.
I know, but I'm ready.
They're going to be coming because they'll be watching this right now and they'll be like,
no, but I love the girls. I love them. Don't make me look like I don't like the girls, you know. You girls, chicks. I do like you lot, you know. I love it because when me and my sister, I just want to say as well, when I came out, you lot know who's been repping with me from day one. Know I've been out since 09, 010. Me and my sister, Mafiella. We was the first chicks in the UK to be talking like that and looking, you know, we weren't in no hoodies, no tracksuit and trainers. We came out looking all feminine. Yeah. Posting, do you know what I mean?
Girl.
And we came talking that smack and they wasn't ready for it. They used to look at us like, what are they doing? UK wasn't ready. So fast forward up until 2017, 2018, I'm ready now. I see enough girls in the game doing this thing. Why not? Do you understand? It's not new because I've been doing it for a long time.
There's a couple of girls doing very well. A couple of females. Steph London is one doing one. And there's another little one that I like. She's a bit more tomboyish. Lady is Lusher, something like that. Lady Lusher.
I'm not sure who that is.
I think she's wicked. She's got bars.
Yeah, and now, man, I like the girls doing it. I like the girls because I'm here for the girls. That's what I'm saying.
Are you willing to work with the guys as well, like doing
I've always worked with the guys. I haven't got a problem working with the guys. I've got loads. I've worked with too much guys, if anything. Do you know what I mean? I grew up with loads of boys. I got so much guys around me. My engineers, my producers. So I like my team to be girls. That's how I roll with kids and my photographer. She's female. And like a couple of other girls that are joining the team, like I want more girls around me because I've got a lot of boys.
Yeah, but you seem to be doing, taking it serious because I've seen your Instagram is popping as well.
Thank you.
You always that extra, always glammed.
Thank you. Not all the time. I am casual on a normal day. But maybe I don't post a lot of those ones. Really?
People, if you're watching the
That's
live
on
right
the
now,
snap. You catch me on a regular on the snap. If you're on my Snapchat,
yeah,
you catch me on a regular, just on a normal, and I'm just roughing it.
she's just roughing
Yeah.
it. There's no such thing as roughing it.
Just normal, you know.
Okay. But what we're gonna do here, we normally do whenever guests come to our studio, we always put a beat on and see what happens.
Is
Yeah,
it?
we always do that. So you are no exception to the rules.
No.
So if you come on
I
the
don't
Upnlive
like
show,
doing it.
you're gonna have to be doing something real
Is it?
special,
Oh
right?
my gosh.
We're gonna be going something. Let me go something a bit old school for you,
Here
right?
we go.
Because we wanna see what she's made of. And we're gonna be. Let me find something that let's find
find it
something
hard to
that's
be unedited.
real. Be unedited.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you as kindly as possible.
It's really hard.
If you can be as edited as possible. I have songs ready, but I'm just trying to find something a bit different for Ice Cream Girl right here. Because she's Ice Cream, so she needs a little bit of heat, right? Because she's too cold right here in the studio. But anyway, people, this is Ice Cream Girl right here on Flames Radio Freestyle. Remember, if you don't like it, you need to put the thumbs down, and if you do like it, thumbs up when the video comes out, alright? Keep it locked. Don't move.
Going nuts, so good he just can't get enough. Team, solid squad goals. My slay game put him in a chokehold. I eat fat cheese for lunch, no homo. Call me Queen Ice 'cause I'm so cold. Hey.
We ain't stopping, we ain't stopping. You want a different?
Yeah, man.
Okay, should I give you something a bit more faster, yeah? Should I give you something a bit more up tempo?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna be doing something. So that was let's go a restart, yeah? Let's go a restart. Let's go a restart. Okay, alright, let's go something again. She's still here. We're gonna be doing, let's do this one, alright? Let's go. She wants something a bit faster. Let's go.
Touchdown in the city. Whole team looking pretty. Oh my gosh, touchdown in the city. Whole team looking pretty. Boys in the hood, like me. Just the girl lashes, you know they stay free. Pretty gang, like that's the committee. Hey. Who you know cold like this? Who you know sauce like this? On side any chick, is she with my clip? Fully loaded in it. Gangs in this. Won't stop till I'm rich. That's just what it is. Post the girl up in this. No, that's something. Yeah. Can't do it, I'm swearing. Hey. And I can do it, yeah? Okay. Ready now. Hot with it, so stylish. Got it locked, no stylist. Bad and bougie at its finest. We stay fly like a pilot. No new mates on my list. Kill these haters like a virus. That picky chick, no mileage. Let that money talk and stay silent. Big wig, moshed out. Gucci down in them red bottoms. Trapping hard in my trap star. My hustle on in my Benja. Ruby, YSL. 2 C's on my boy bag. Poster girl since day one. My slave game got bitches mad, yeah. Ice cream still posting. Clean in the trap, no loafing. Bitches on my way, they be surfing. On my IG, yeah, they be lurking. My nigga said he's tight like a virgin. They be getting mad, but I stay smirking. Screenshot pics think that they're murking. Got the Draco, leave a bit hurting. Come back to fuck up the game. So I can't with you lanes. Dripping sauce on the game.
You're good?
Oh, yeah.
You're good? She wanna go again. She actually wanna go again. She wanna go again. People, that was Ice Cream Girl. Remember when the video's finished, when they post it up, I need to give me that thumbs up, thumbs down, alright? We're gonna see who's the baddest freestyle for the months. The months coming the first quarter, right? This was Ice Cream Cover Girl. Or is it Poster Girl? I keep saying it wrong. Is it Poster Girl or is it Cover Girl? Poster Girl, alright? They get it right. So what's next for you? What's next for you?
Yes, so basically I've got some songs dropping. Pretty Trap Volume 1 coming out. Then I got my single coming out after that, and then a few more reveals.
Okay. So we'll be looking for that one. I'll be excited to see. As soon as you get it out, make sure
I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to give you all of the exclusives. Don't worry.
Definitely.
Make sure you follow Flames. You log on to Flames.
Where can we find you and find your music?
You can follow me on Instagram, Icecream the Poster Girl. Follow me on Twitter, Queen Ice Cream. My SoundCloud is Icecream the Poster Girl, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Queen Ice Cream TV, for my video. Got a video shoot on Friday, so my Pretty Gang video is coming out soon.
So lots of pretty girls will be in the video, yeah?
And when I say pretty, I just want to say it's not just about pretty face, it's about pretty girls from the inside out.
Yeah.
Clean-hearted girls are the prettiest girls, happy girls are the prettiest girls. God don't like ugly. That's what I say.
That's right. That's right.
Boom.
God don't like ugly, right?
God don't like ugly.
Yeah, thank you very much for passing through to Flames Radio and the Upnlive show. Remember, you can log on to our website, www.worlmag.com. Click onto the Upnlive tab, and you can see all the previous videos that we've done before. Log on to the Flames website, you can watch, and you can see all the videos as well. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you're watching Worlmagtv right here at Flames Radio. Keep it locked. Don't move on, muscle.